EURUSD trades below the 1.100 to 1.101 area, where the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement of the latest downtrend in the 200-period simple moving average on the 4-hour chart forms strong resistance. Additionally, the relative strength index indicator on the same chart stays below 50, highlighting the lack of buyer interest. In case the pair makes a 4-hour close below 1.0980 upper limit of the descending regression channel, next bearish targets could be set at 1.0950 static level, midpoint of the descending channel, and 1.0900 psychological level, static level, lower limit of the descending channel. On the upside, resistances align at 1.1050 with Fibonacci 50% retracement of the latest uptrend plus 50-period SMA. And 1.1100 with Fibonacci 38.2% retracement plus 100-period SMA, if EURUSD manages to flip 1.1000 to 1.1010 back into support.